pina coladas. God in the rain. Not into yoga. Yes, we are making the greatest pina colada in the world, and I'm going to be showing you 2 hacks to make sure your pina coladas come out tasting absolutely fantastic every single time. So let's dive straight in. So, off you go. Best pina colada in the world.
Let's try this bad boy. Whoa. Your skills are wasted here, mate. You should be working in the Caribbean. No, you've got it all balanced well there. Not too much salt.
Can you taste that agricole rum? Have a whiff of that.
Yeah.
You can have a swing if you want. Now it's just going to taste fully like rum. Walnuts.
Yeah, I'm going to keep this one.
All right, off you go. I need to go and make the mocktail version now, so let's go.
I'm ready for this.
Off you go. With a kick. What do you reckon compared to the alcoholic one?
Well, obviously I prefer the alcoholic version all day long, but
it's pretty good with the live nut.
Yeah.
Gives it that little spicy kick, no?
I'm loving that.
I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's got this one's slightly pink from that live nut. I like it. I like
It works, it works.
Score out of 10?
I'll give this a 7.
And
this is strong.
12.
Strong.
Cool. There you go. So there we have it, the best pina colada recipe in the world, in my opinion. But you can try out for yourself, and I've left links in the description of where you can buy most of those ingredients. Plus, for those of you that are new around here, welcome to the channel. I really do appreciate you being here and staying until the end. Please consider subscribing and click that bell to be notified when more of my videos are going live, so you can learn cocktails and mocktails like this pina colada recipe combo selection. Also, if you like the video, smash on that like button, because that helps push it out to more people. And that's what it's all about, isn't it? More viewers, more people sharing the love of pina coladas worldwide. Boom. Anyway, you lucky people who are still here, if you liked that cocktail and you liked the use of this 3-spirit livener that was in this pina colada mocktail version, then you can go and check out this Planters Punch recipe next, because I really enjoyed making that one as well. So try it out, go and check that one out. Thank you so much. Until next week, see you then.